Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to go live on Instagram using OBS. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Going live on Instagram using OBS involves using a third-party tool like Yellow Duck, and here's a general guide on how you can set it up. Step 1. Make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your PC. Step 2. You need an Instagram account to go live on the platform. Step 3. Visit the Yellow Duck website. Link in the description down below. Create an account or go ahead and log in if you already have one. Now let's set up our OBS. Step 1. Open OBS Studio on your computer. Add your video and audio sources, the webcam, microphone, etc. to OBS Studio as you normally would for a stream. Step 2. Log into your Yellow Duck account using your Instagram. Step 3. Copy or take note of the RTMP URL and key. Step 4. In OBS Studio, go to Settings, Stream, choose Custom as the service, enter the RTMP URL and key generated by Yellow Duck. Go ahead and click Apply, then hit OK. Step 5. Click on Start Streaming in OBS Studio. Step 6. Go ahead and click on Start Broadcast on Yellow Duck, and your Instagram will automatically go live and it will automatically link to your OBS. Important to take note, certain Instagram features may not be available when using third-party tools, so we have to check Instagram's guidelines and terms of services for using external broadcasting tools. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.